Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new Bitcoin update for today. I wanted to take a quick look at it, of course, because today is quite an important day with the interest rate coming tonight. I think it's from the time of uploading. I think it's like 9.5 hours, but you can find it all on myfxbook.com. There are also links down in the description, in my Discord at least. So yeah, here it is. It's going to be very important, the interest rate, but also the press conference following immediately afterwards. So I just wanted to do a quick update on what to expect, and hopefully without a blurry camera. So let's get right into it. If you take a look at Bitcoin right now, yesterday we had some bullish momentum, but the volume has fallen down a little bit. Yeah, here you can see we had some bullish momentum. We dropped down and spiked up again. Basically following the dollar strength index, which yesterday, or at least from Monday to the beginning of Tuesday, was quite bullish. Yesterday we started dropping from this major resistance level at around 102.5, and today I kind of do expect the dollar strength index to fall even more. And therefore I'm also expecting that Bitcoin overall is probably going to be pretty quiet. Usually ahead of big events and big announcements or big things happening, big fundamental events. Usually crypto is relatively quiet. Now, last time around when we had the interest rate, and I showed you a number of times already, but last time that happened, we had some bullish momentum. We had some spikes as well. So I think today it's going to be relatively quiet, and we'll end with a spike ahead of the interest rate, and then the result is probably is going to be the big mover. So yeah, and apart from that, I mean, obviously, if you really want to follow it closely, you'd have to follow the dollar strength index, because Bitcoin was already very sensitive to the dollar strength index in the entirety of January. But today it's extremely so, and we've already seen that from the beginning of Monday because of the nature of the fundamentals. That's just the way it is. So, but apart from that, I wanted to say something more, but I'm not actually sure what. Oh yeah, of course. So this is obviously the interest rate update. Excuse me, I'm a little bit tired still. So we're going to move based on top of it, and basically there are two things that can happen. All right, we can have a hawkish outcome or a dovish outcome, and it basically means is in that interest rate decision and a press conference afterwards, what they're going to do, what they're going to say is things about the monetary policy. What will they do in the future? What will they do in 2023? Are they going to keep increasing the interest rates, or are they going to slow it down a little bit? In the case that they'll say they're going to keep increasing it, and probably with a lot as well, what's going to happen is that we're probably going to drop down. All right, because right now, because of the dropping inflation rates, we're expecting some sort of a bullish outcome out of the interest rate and monetary policy as well. If that doesn't come, if there's no real sign of a change of direction in monetary policy, what's just going to happen is that we'll drop down to 21,700, and then we'll drop down all the way to this level right here, around 21,000 and 20,700. All right. However, on the other side, so this obviously looks very bearish, but on the other side, we can also have a rally all the way up to 25,000. If they actually say that, all right, the economic circumstances have changed, inflation rate is dropping, maybe we need to slow down a little bit. If they say something like that, I don't think that's priced into the market already, even though we've obviously been very bullish. I think it's likely that then we'll actually be able to break above 23,700 and get up towards that level around 25,000. So yeah, a lot's going to happen today probably. I don't really see any scenario in which we are going to stay neutral throughout the entire day. I do think we'll at least get a move after the press conference. But I'll make a full video on that as well later this afternoon on what to expect, and a little bit more thorough. For now, this is my take on Bitcoin and the interest rates. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.